Good afternoon. Shannon Randall here with Shannon Art Crypto. I just wanted to make a quick video today. It's such a beautiful day out. It's mid-October and it's like summer weather. With that said, I'm not going to take too much time. I'm going outside very soon to enjoy it. But as I mentioned earlier this week, I want to do a video explaining, because I mentioned it earlier in one of the art videos about the Ethereum blockchain and how cryptocurrency, what it is based off of, and what these NFT tokens are in relation to cryptocurrency. So with this said, we're going to start with showing a chart here of what you call a cryptocurrency price market. So was this? Oh, all right there, folks. So we'll begin this little video here about the charts on Coingecko. Coingecko is a site that will track. It's like an index site, so it shows you the value of the different currencies in real time, what they're worth. And we'll look at Bitcoin here right now. This is Canadian, I have it set up. I live in Canada, so Canadian funds. Bitcoin's going for 70,000 Canadian. Ethereum's going for 43.56 Canadian. XRP, which I hold a great deal of, goes for $1.38 Canadian for one for each of these tokens, for one token. Now, these are all blockchain currencies. What a blockchain is a system of recorded transactions that deal with cryptocurrency. They are maintained across a network of several computers around the world, peer-to-peer network. So there's no one central authority controlling anything. So, for instance, if you have all your money in the bank fails or crashes, or there's some corruption involved, or some kind of maybe you live in a country where there's a lot of uprising, civil unrest, war. You don't have to worry about having on crypto because your money's always going to be there. It's not controlled by any one institution, which can crash and fail. Now, Ethereum is one of the main cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been around the longest. Ether came along as a way to send crypto with very small fees. It's built on the innovation of Bitcoin, but uses just be able to send, lets you use digital money without banks or financial intermediaries. So there you have it. XRP is much the same. This is a great little one here I own. I think has less user fees than Bitcoin, and right now it's trading for $1.38. I purchased most of my XRP for $1 or less. I purchased it mostly for about 40 cents. So I've been holding on to it and watching it go up over time, which is great, to see something you invest in actually grow, as compared to a bank where you put the money in, it does nothing. I mean, 0.005 interest is a joke. 15 years ago, used to be okay. You'd earn 4 or 5% interest. You could actually made sense to save money. Now it doesn't. You're losing money putting in a bank because their inflation goes up every year. $10,000 5 years ago will buy way less than it does now, basically. So if you hold that money in your bank, you're not really doing yourself any favor. But if that said, you don't want to invest everything in one basket. I only invest what I can afford in this cryptocurrency market. It is very volatile. I seen XRP, I seen me buy it for 70 cents and it go crash down to 30 cents. Did I panic and sell? No. Did I hold? Yes. Did I buy more? Possibly. That's what you want to do. You want to buy low, sell high. When it went up to $2, yes, I did take a profit and sell some. So it's the same with anything else. Like you said, I started investing probably about $20, $30 a month into this about 3 years ago. Right now I have a bit of a side nest egg saved up in here. I'll go to Coinbase and show you basically the holdings I do have. So is XRP, which I hold quite a few. Algorand I hold. Algorand will give you a sort of what's called staking. So you hold on to it and it pays out premium. No matter if you hold it or sell it. Well, if you sell it, but if you hold it, if it goes up and down value, you just get sort of a premium for holding it. It's the same with Tezos. Stellar Lumen, I have a few. Stellar Lumen actually went up 10.85% today. That's so I gained quite a bit on there. But anyway, enough about my personal chart. We'll click off here and then go back to the chart for Coingecko and look at all the coins. Now, there's probably about 2,000 different coins. There's a ton of different coins you can invest in. Best to do your research. Now, with Coingecko, I'm on XRP right now. Tells you a little bit about where it comes from, the market data, the market cap, which is the amount of trading volume and currency in that particular currency out there in the market, the circulating supply, and the history of what it's been trading at over the last couple of years. Like I said, I've been holding on to this for a long time. Well, I got it after this. Unfortunately, I wasn't involved in crypto back then, but if I was, I could have got XRP back in November 2017 for about 30 cents and sold it a couple of months later in January for about $4 a coin. I would have been substantially, if I, had a substantial bit of wealth off that. But unfortunately, I didn't get in there. I didn't even really know about it till about after that. So I started buying pretty well about March, April 2018. Back then it crashed down to 62 cents. And I've been buying straight along for about 40, 50, 60 cents. Now it's up to, $1.30. It was up to $2 earlier this year. I did sell, but eventually, at least I suspect if something was $4 at one time, it's going to go up there again. It could go even higher. These charts usually run in 4-year cycles. So this was 2017. This is 2021. So we're getting to the end of the cycle. So we'll see what happens at the end of the year. I'm not holding my breath, but it could go back up to $4 or $5. I'm hoping in December, like it did in 2017. So anyway, that's right now it's ranked number 6. But like I said, there's tons of other cryptocurrencies out there. And like I said, invest what you can afford. I started investing on Coinbase because it's pretty user-friendly. I live in Canada, and a lot of these cryptocurrency exchanges are blocked here. I did have a problem with my bank buying it at first. I had to cancel and do different credit cards because I did not want to really link it to my bank account at first, being, it was uncertain. What if it got hacked? I don't really trust having a bank account linked to it. So what I did personally is I went out and applied for a low credit limit credit card, $500 credit card limit, basically, and assigned it to the Coinbase account. And that way, if it did get hacked or something, worst case scenario, someone had access to a $500 limit credit card, it would be not good. I'm not, I don't have the money to throw away $500, but it's not the end of the world. It's not going to ruin a person. Fortunately, that did not happen. I was able to use that card and buy $50, $60 a month in crypto and just pay off that credit card with our worthless declining Canadian money, so I've been building up crypto ever since. And, don't invest more than you can afford. For $40, $50 for me is, doable. It could be $10 or $12 for a person. It could be $300, $400 a month for other people, but invest what you can afford. And these cryptocurrencies are fractional. What that means is if I want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin, I can. So if I did, which I do, I have 0.00 whatever of a Bitcoin. I have 0.05 of an Ethereum because Ethereum's $4,300. XRP, I have 1,400 of them because I bought a bunch at 40 cents and now it's worth over $1. So they're fractional, so you can pretty much buy whatever you want. There's a small fee on Coinbase, but if there wasn't any fee, I'd be skeptical. So that's how they run their business, and they have 20 million users. So and that's a little bit of rundown on crypto. And now if the NFTs, the reason I talk about Ethereum mostly is they are traded in Ethereum. So when I go on here, if I sell an NFT, say, for example, I'll show you some of my digital illustration work. We'll go to Night Driver. I like this little scene I did of the vehicle. Took me a little while. I used GIMP and InkPad to create this with hand drawing and scanning. Now I'm asking 0.0125 Ethereum, which is $40, 43 Canadian. The size of this is 7,800 by 5,400 pixels, so a person could print this off to a good size. But That's what I was trading in Ethereum. Like I said, I didn't really have much luck of getting viewership for these. Like, there's only 2 views. I imagine if this had 100 views, I'd probably eventually sell it. But like I said, this is the point. I'm doing these videos, is trying to get my name out there, and because I do a lot of art and photography, and be nice to finally get my work out there, and make a living doing it. That's why I studied this and went to school and practiced and did this over the years. It'd be nice to work for yourself, and a little bit after so many years working for other people, I'm getting to a point where I feel I'm done with, I work if I have to, but, it'd be nice to, earn an income working from home, especially if the world, the way it's going and everything, and be more self-reliant. This is the way to it, work for yourself, earn real money, invest into real things of value, and go from there. But anyway, I don't want to start on a rant about my views and whatnot, but basically it would be nice just to, work from home, basically earn an income flow, and not have to worry about anything else, and just do what I like doing. And open seas, and it made that possible. Crypto is making that possible, and it's just a new economy. It's a digital economy right now. Anyway, so I got to say today as well. If you want to check out these links for this one here, Coingecko, I'll leave a link on my description at the bottom. And you can go on, look at all the charts, all the currencies. Like I said, there's hundreds of them. You could start buying Shiba Inu. You can put $50 on Shiba Inu right now and have a million tokens, because it's only trading for 0.0036 of a dollar. So it's a good way to start out. Anyway, with that said, I'll wrap this up. Take care. All the best. Check out my links, NFT art there, Shannon NFT Crypto, on the descriptor page as well. Take care, and all the best. Bye-bye.